Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Ford Transit Connect rear bumper step by step. Begin by parking on level ground, setting the parking brake, and collecting sockets, ratchets, trim tools, and a panel clip remover. Take a few minutes to inspect fastener locations and note wiring for sensors or lights. Working methodically from one side to the other reduces mistakes and keeps hardware organized for reassembly. Start by removing external trim and sensor covers to reveal mounting points, using trim tools to avoid damage. Disconnect backup sensor and light wiring, label each connector, and secure loose wires out of the work area. Next, remove plastic clips and any visible screws, keeping parts organized in a tray. This approach prevents lost hardware and makes reinstallation straightforward while protecting painted surfaces from accidental scratches or gouges. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making practical guides. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated while you work and consider the Owala water bottle I used here. It keeps water handy and spill-free, which is handy during long jobs. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab one if you like the look or function. Now let's get back to the video. With trim and wiring disconnected, have a helper support the bumper, or use a padded stand to prevent drops. Remove the main mounting bolts and inspect bracket areas for concealed fasteners, cutting through adhesive if needed. Gradually ease the bumper away from the body, feeling for any remaining clips or wires that might still be attached. Place the bumper on a soft surface to avoid scratches and verify all fasteners are accounted for.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.